Hello everyone, welcome once again to Teach Yourself Maths. Looking at Chapter 2, Add and Subtract Whole Numbers. Lesson number 1, Addition Properties and Subtraction Rules. So we're going to start with this example 1. We have Obaid is buying the items shown. Does the order in which the musical instruments are scanned change the total cost? So let's see. So we have 10 plus 20. Of course, your 10 plus 20 is going to give you 30. So we write 30 here. In the second one, we have 20 plus 10. So the order was changed. 20 and 10. If you add, it will still give you 30. So in mathematics, the ordering of these numbers changed. However, it does not affect the final results. So this type of property is what is called the commutative property of addition. For example, if I say 2 plus 3 is going to give me 5. If I bring 3 here and I take 2 here to write 3 plus 2, it is still going to give you 5. The same answer. This is commutative property. Let's look at example number 2. There were 16 people at the pool on Friday. So on Friday, we have 16 people. There were no people at the pool on Saturday. So on Saturday, it says there were no people. So in mathematics, no people can be written as 0. It means 0. So the question says, how many people were there on Friday and Saturday? And in mathematics means plus. So for Friday, you have 16. So we write 16 here. And on Saturday, no people, we have 0. 16 plus 0 is going to give you 16. And this is the identity property of addition. What it means is that any number added to 0 is going to give you that number. For example, if I say 3 plus 0 is still going to give me 3. 1000 plus 0 is still going to give me 1000. That is it. Okay, so let's look at example 3. It says find the unknown in, so we have 10 minus, this is the unknown, the box we have here, equals 10. So you should ask yourself, what am I going to put here such that when I subtract it from 10, my result, my answer will still be 10. The only thing it can be is 0. So the unknown is 0. That is, if you have 3 minus 0, 5 minus 0, any number, 1000 minus 0, everything is going to give you the number 3, 5, or 1000. And this is what we call subtraction rules. Subtraction rule. Okay, so now let's look at this guided practice. It's your time, so you can pause the video, try the questions, and afterwards you can play it back to see if you are correct. So the question says, find each unknown, draw a line to identify the property or rule used. So in the right side here is the property or the rule. So we have question 1, 19 minus unknown equals 19. So it's giving you the same answer. That means your unknown has to be 0. Next, question 2. In the left side we have 5. In the right side 5. We got 2 here, we have 2. This is 9. We don't know what we have here. To make it balance, it's going to be 9. But now I'm going to show you something. So let's have a look. 5 plus 9 plus 2. This is going to give you, do what you have inside the bracket first. So we have 5 and 9 inside the bracket. 5 plus 9 is going to give you 14. Then bring these 2 down. If you do 14 plus 2, you get 16. Or, now let's look at the second part, arranged as 5 plus 9 plus 2. So do what you have inside the bracket first. That is 9 plus 2, that is 11. Then you bring the 5 down. 5 plus 11 is going to give you 16. So you can see that you get the same answer regardless of where the bracket is. This type is what we call the associative property of addition. It is associative property. And lastly, let's look at question number 3. 74 plus 68 equals, we don't know what we have here, plus 74. It has rearranged, so definitely it's going to be 68. Remember, it is commutative property, changing the order. And the number 1 is the third property. When you subtract 0 from any number, the result is the number. Okay, so we have independent practice. So I want you to try this on your own. Afterwards, you can confirm the answer, okay? So read the instruction algebra. Find each unknown. Write each property or rule that is used. So question 4. Let's see if your answer is correct. So look at the left side. Unknown plus 8 plus 7 equals 9 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, so this is 7, this is 7. I have 8 and this is 8. I have 9 here. I don't know what I have here, so it's going to be 9. Okay, and we've said this before. This is associative property. Question 5. 14 plus 13 equals 13 plus 14. It's the same thing. All you do is to rearrange the numbers. And this is commutative property. Look at question 6. Check if you are correct. What number will you put here such that when you add 0, you get 19? The number is going to be the same thing as 19. Remember, identity property. Next, let's look at question 7. 25 minus, what will you have here such that your answer gives you 0? Remember, 3 minus 3 is going to give you 0. Subtract the same number gives you 0. 5 minus 5, because they are the same number, you're going to get 0. So 25 minus 25 will give you 0. Next we have number 8, 17, 17, 18, 18, 11, unknown. So it's going to be 11 to make it balanced. And lastly, let's look at number 9, 39 minus, what are you going to have here to still get the answer as 37? For the numbers to remain the same, 37, 37, so the number must be 0. Alright guys, you've got the answers. So try and confirm if you got the right answers. So this is what we have, and this is gonna be the end of this video, and I'm gonna see you in lesson 2. See you and bye bye.